Good morning, YouTube. Here is the beginning of the winter storm that's happening across the country. We're in Ohio, and the Tundra is getting covered up. So right now in my county, it is a level 2. And it's around 8 o'clock in the morning, I believe, on Sunday. And there's probably, I don't know, 4 inches, maybe 5 inches of snow, 4 inches, somewhere in there. So yeah, they're calling for, I think it's up to about 14 or 15 inches of snow here is possible. Guess we'll see what we get. So we'll check in on this a little bit later today and see what it's looking like. Definitely ready for spring. So I hope everyone around the country is doing okay with this winter storm. I hope that nobody's going through real difficult times. I know there's power outages from what I'm understanding down south, and I hope everyone's doing okay. We'll take another look at this later on today. Take care. How's everybody going? We gotta clean some truck off. Oh my. Okay. Well, it looks like we probably have a good 8 or 9 inches out here, I think. My county is still under a level 2, and a lot of the surrounding counties are at a level 3 already. So I figured I need to come and clean off the truck a little bit. And then if we do have work tonight, I won't have to do this in the dark. I think I'd be smart enough to put on a pair of gloves. I need to check on that. Got that. So yeah, how's everybody doing in your neck of the woods? Leave in the comments where you guys are from and what state and what your weather turned out being during this storm. Curious. I hope everybody did all right. Hope everybody's safe. Trying to get through this crazy winter. that earlier today. Sure all of you are too. Yeah, if you wouldn't mind commenting and just say what state you're from and how's this storm affected you? How much snow or ice or whatever you got? Hopefully everyone's okay. 'Cause this is crazy. Sorry if you can't see me sometimes. I walk around with a hammer in my hand here. I don't want to get it buried in snow and trying to clean this off. Ooh, what a mess. Let me get some of the snow off there. Here. I'm not going down the road just to blow it off in somebody's windshield. That would be very nice, but see what I can get. Not get it all. It's definitely cold. About as much as I can really reach very well. And at least we got some of it uncovered. So let's put this back here. Just let the truck warm up a little bit. It's been sitting since Friday morning. This is Sunday. I haven't started it, which there was no issue starting it. It got fairly cold Friday night. I believe it was -1 or -2 Saturday morning. And this morning I believe it was around 6. And so there's some traffic out. A little kind of slow. But yeah, probably end up going to work and just wanted to get this truck cleaned up a little bit and yeah, see what happens. They're still calling for a little bit more. I think you can see it's still snowing a little bit. It's not as much as it was. I think it's starting to kind of die off a little bit now at this point, I'm hoping. I hate the snow. I don't know what all you folks think, and that's up to you. I don't want it. It'd be nice to move south. But I think I'm going to let the truck run for a few minutes and see how that goes. And other than that, you guys take care, and hope you guys are doing good. We'll talk to you later. Okay. So you guys take care and be safe. Just kind of looking in the tracks here, I'd say there's every bit of 8 inches. Every bit of 8 inches, maybe close to 10. The roads, the plows has been going up the roads pretty steady. They've been doing pretty good with the plows, keeping at least our road anyway. Um, it just looks covered. It's pretty cleaned off. So I think we're on the tail end of this storm at this point. But yeah, I hope you guys are all doing good, and we'll talk to you later.